Introducing the Realme GT5 Pro Tech Review, a high-end smartphone for tech enthusiasts. Realme, a prominent brand in the smartphone market, is set to release their latest flagship device. The Realme GT5 Pro was launched in China on December 7, 2023. In India is scheduled for release in December of 2023. This highly anticipated smartphone boasts an array of impressive features that are sure to leave tech enthusiasts eager to get their hands on it. From its stunning design and premium materials to its powerful hardware and advanced camera system, the Realme GT5 Pro is poised to take the smartphone market by storm. Design: its large 6.78-inch AMOLED screen with a resolution of 1264 by 2780 WQHD+. High refresh rate of 144 Hz, smooth scrolling and responsive touch interactions. Brightness of 1600 candela per square meter and a contrast ratio of 5 million to 1. Dual edge display and HDR10+. Audio quality: stereo speakers and Dolby Atmos. Materials: Realme GT5 Pro is crafted using top-of-the-line materials. The device features an aluminium alloy frame that not only adds durability but also gives it a premium look and feel. Corning Gorilla Glass protection with its sleek metal finish. Hardware: Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with a 4nm architecture. 12GB or 16GB of RAM, LPDDR5X, storage capacities of 256GB, 512GB, or even 1TB, UFS storage 4.0. An impressive score of 2,020,000 on Antutu, V10. A fingerprint display for enhanced security. Robust cooling system, heavy users and gamers. Camera: its triple camera setup includes a 48.0-megapixel Sony LYT-IAT808 lens with an f/1.69 aperture. The wide-angle and macro lens combination consists of an 8.0-megapixel Sony IMX355 sensor with an f/2.2 aperture. 32.0-megapixel Sony IMX615 front-facing camera boasts an f/2.45 aperture. Realme GT5 Pro also features optical stabilization, OIS, enabling users to take stable and shake-free videos. 4K video capabilities and a 112 degrees field of view ultra-wide-angle lens. Connectivity: Bluetooth 5.4, dual SIM support enables. Supports Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX, technology. GPS, L1 plus L5, support guarantees accurate positioning. Battery: 5400 mAh battery. An impressive 100W fast charging capability. Supports wireless charging. Reverse charging feature enables. Conclusion: with its stunning design, powerful hardware, advanced camera system, and extensive connectivity options, the Realme GT5 Pro is poised to be a game changer in the smartphone market. Realme has once again demonstrated their commitment to delivering high-quality devices that cater to the needs of tech enthusiasts. Whether you're a multitasking pro, a photography enthusiast, or an avid mobile gamer, the Realme GT5 Pro offers a premium experience that is sure to exceed your expectations. With its release set for December 2023, keep an eye out for this highly anticipated smartphone. Remember to subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated with the latest tech news. Share your thoughts on the Realme GT5 Pro in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.